Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to tune a Subaru WRX updated. Start by confirming basic maintenance tasks and safety checks before altering engine settings. Use a methodical plan, baseline data logging, conservative map changes, and test drives after each adjustment. Keep a notebook or digital log to track results and rollback points. Stay patient, prioritize reliability over peak numbers, and always respect local emissions and safety rules. Gathering proper tools makes tuning safer and faster, and I recommend investing in reliable gear you will use again and again. A capable OBD2 log tool, a wideband O2, and a boost gauge are essential for meaningful adjustments. Hand tools and a torque wrench keep you organized during swaps and sensor changes. Prepare spare hardware and fasteners, and choose clear labeling for each test to avoid confusion on the road or dyno. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more tuning tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for keeping oil rags and snacks separate, and they laugh in the face of spilled coolant during garage sessions. They stack neatly and seal tight, which saves time and cleanups between pulls. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Begin with a controlled baseline. Record multiple runs to understand current behavior under typical loads. Adjust fuel and timing in conservative increments, allowing the engine to settle and then relog to compare. Use consistent test conditions such as same gear, road, and temperature. If using a dyno, check drivability afterward on the street. Prioritize detonation avoidance, smooth torque delivery, and component longevity over chasing peak numbers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.